Excel ribbon and their commands. Consolidate. Data consolidation takes a data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summarizes it into a single worksheet. This feature allows several tables to be consolidated into a single summary report. Here given an example, sales of a few products in each zone. We can consolidate the sales of these zones monthly. 5 sheets are given here. Of these 4 sheets are the data. Sheet 1 given the sales of the western zone, and sheet 2 the sales of eastern zone, and sheet 3 the sales of central zone, and sheet 4 the sales of north zone. We can consolidate sales of these each zone's data into a single worksheet. Here I given an example, sheet 7. We can consolidate these data. I already consolidated these data into this worksheet. All the data are shown here. We can extract and contract the data by clicking in the plus sign. All data are shown. In each month we can see the total of the data. Example, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and the total. And second one, February, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and the total. By this way we can consolidate each month's data. Let us learn how to consolidate the data. Consolidate. We can see already set the consolidation. We can see the data in all reference. Each sheet names are given here. Now I am deleting this consolidated sheet. Right button, delete, delete. These data are deleted. Again I am creating a blank sheet. Okay, sheet 5 is created. Then we can consolidate the data into this sheet 5. Consolidate. In reference, we can select sheet 1. Then select the area to be consolidated. Then click on add. Then second one, same area, add. Third sheet, same area, add. Fourth sheet, same area, add. We can see the 4 sheets references are already now added. Then check the below options. Click OK. Okay, we can see the data is consolidated into sheet 5. By this way we can simply create a consolidated data or a summary report of the all sheet.